Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can add the filters in VN editor. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to download the VN editor and we have to open it. So now what we have to do, we have to click on this plus icon. If you want to create a new project, then we have to click on this plus icon. So I'm gonna click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to click on the new project again, and then we have to click on the save again. And now we have to import the media, that which media you want to import. For example, I'm going to the videos section, and now we have to choose the videos. I'm going to add this video here and this video here, and now we have to click on the next here. So let's click on this, and as you can see now, the both videos are imported here. You can check it out. If you want to add a new one, you can also do that. As you can see now, these all are added here. Now I want to apply the filter, so we have to go to the filter section. I'm going to click on the filter, and you will be able to see a lot of filters here. For example, this one, you have to choose that which one you want. For example, I want this one. So as you can see now, the filter is applied on the whole video. If you want to check out, if you want to apply on this one, you can also do that. You have to go to the filter again, and you have to choose the which filter you want to apply. For example, I want to apply this one, then we have to click on this. As you can see now, the filter is done. Now you can export your video. So in this way, you can apply the filter on the videos in your VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.